All right, WikiHow, how to solve Rubik's Cube, featuring Robbie Mitchell.
Yeah, so first you gotta just do this.
All right.
As you can see, this is the most complete method. On the note of problems in life, if you ever have another issue, generally it can be solved by a little bit of F2L practice. For example, last year when I found out my wife cheated on me, I just practiced F2L, and what ended up happening is we got divorced. It worked out pretty well, and I got my times down to around 16 seconds average solve. So that's good. And then you do this, and the hard part is when you get to this stage, because you got to do the one turn, but you got to make sure that nothing goes wrong. So generally, when you do this last part, you should put a seatbelt on and maybe a helmet. Thanks for watching.
See you next year.